Hi, it's Carrie from Created Me Creative. Welcome to my cozy little corner. I have another flip through here, and I thought maybe I would add my voice to it today. Not really fond of my own voice, but you get to hear it today. So I have a Reader's Digest altered book, and I have redone the inside with pockets and tuck spots and lots of ephemera. I covered the spine with this beautiful lace. It's got a little bit of a sparkle in it, which mirrors the sparkle of the gold in the cover and the little snowflakes. It's kind of a minty, tealy green. I'm not really sure if it's more teal or more green. But anyway, it's very pretty. And I didn't want to cover it because it really does have that beautiful winter feel to it. I've used predominantly my own scrapbook paper, but I do have some pieces from the Cozy Winter kit from My Porch Prints. I'll try and leave a link in the box below. So the front cover here, I have covered it with just one of my pieces of scrapbook paper. I've tucked in a tag here in a peekaboo pocket. This is inspired by Kathleen Mower with BeAgainBooks. And she loves to make these little kind of peekaboo tuck spots. I've tucked in a couple of pieces of ephemera from the kit, and it's just a really great little spot to be able to tuck stuff in. There are pockets in between some of the pages, little journal cards within them. So all the way through, I've tabbed each one as it's there, and then you just pull it out. There's a couple at the top. The ones at the top have some lace. I don't know if you can see that there. Predominantly the kit or the papers that I've used are in those tealy turquoises. There is a pop of red, a little bit of a lime green, but it's mostly those light colors, neutrals as well. There's some really great ephemera pieces with the kit. Also some writing papers that I have tucked in, lots of little pockets. I've left lots of space for journaling, tucking pictures in. We've got extra pockets added here, and just some really great spots for writing. It's a great little spot for memory keeping if you like to memory keep through the winter season. It's got some writing paper here. Again, another one of those peekaboo pockets. And I do have a few of those in the journal itself. Neutral papers, you could easily write on that one or put a photo. A couple of pockets over here as well. The papers are really beautiful. I found that the My Porch Prints kit that I used really worked well with the scrapbook paper that I had chosen. So it's really nice. And we've got another piece here. Did a little bit of decor on some of them. There is lots of room for your own personalization. I've also tucked in pieces, just plain pieces of scrapbook paper. They make perfect picture mounting spots. So a little belly band there, a couple more pieces here. Lots of, again, writing spaces and just spots to tuck your stuff. Add a little bit of ribbon detail and stamping to this one. And then some more pieces here. I really like making the altered books. I find that the Reader's Digest are perfect little companion size. You can tuck it in your purse if you wanted to. Easily use it as a memory keeper. Maybe even a planner. This is the center of the book. You'll find now as we move through the back of it, it mirrors the front. And I like to do that because it utilizes the papers that I'm using in such a way that there is no waste. And that's important to me. I don't like to have wasted paper. So you can see here there's some washi tape. I have reinforced some of the pages. I find that some of these Reader's Digest, they can get a little weak when you're ripping out papers to create the pockets and stuff. So there are some, like this one here, where the washi is reinforcing, but a lot of them are reinforced in between the papers that create the pockets as well. Again, more tuck spots. I've added a little bit of decor, a couple of little flag pieces there. Nice belly band again here, and that's the same as the one at the front of the book. We've got a nice pocket from the top. And that's that little lace that pops out of the top. I like to add lace when I can. A few more journaling spaces here. Another pocket. There's another one of those peekaboo pockets with a writing page in it. And these beautiful papers from my stash. I've got this great, I think it might be considered onion skin. It's got a great feel to it. You know, a little bit of a translucent feel. Another little pocket there. One more spot here with a nice piece of journaling paper. And then this is the last part here with a tag that I've embellished. Matches the paper that's here. And then just a little envelope with a couple more spots. And the back cover. And that is her. And she is available for sale. If you're interested, you can let me know. And that will be it. I'll be back in another week or so with another flip through. Thanks and take care. Bye.